I have a genuine question for you. What are your goals and barriers when it comes to skateboarding? Because right now I have a lot going on. The most pressing of which is that I am moving this weekend. I am going back to where I'm from, back to the rural countryside of New York, and the awful winter that comes with it. I'm also trying to make a couple really big projects become a reality. Some stuff that has been in my head for over a year and has recently gone through some really big changes that I'm hoping will get these projects one step closer to existing. But after coming back from the Euros, I am just desperate to skate and learn more tricks in the best possible way. I am more motivated than ever to get better at skateboarding. You might have gotten the gist that I've been like really busy the last couple months going around and doing stuff, and so needless to say, I feel like a bit of a broken record that I've barely been skating, and it's also probably part of the motivation that I want to skate so badly right now is because I feel like for the last few months I've really not been able to skate much. I haven't really learned new tricks, which gets me just really pumped up and ready and motivated to go harder once I get back in New York. And I'm also more and more motivated to make more videos on this channel. I particularly want to make more videos because every week I go into my YouTube folder and I stare at all of these half-written scripts or these lists of ideas that I have that I want to create, and then I end up choosing whatever's the easiest, or even sometimes making a whole new idea because it'll be easier. And the reason I'm choosing these easier topics or these faster filming topics is just because I don't have the time resources at the moment to do the videos that I really want to. I have these what I think are great ideas and scripts that you can really dive into and think about or learn from, or allow me to learn in the process of researching the topics. But then I don't have the time and resources to dedicate to that video to make it what I want it to be. So I don't want to start these videos that I think could be really good and then make them just mediocre for the sake of publishing them. But they're what I feel really passionate about. So I really want to get into that list. I really want to get into those projects and make those videos. And then somehow with that, despite moving back to the winter wonderland that is New York, I want to make these videos more helpful and more often. I want to make more helpful videos more often, if that makes sense. Which is why I want to know what your goals and barriers are. And these can be really specific tricks, they can be really broad concepts, anything goes. If I walked up to you during a really chill session, what would you say to me? And with that question asked, I do have a lot more packing to go, because if things go smoothly and as planned, by the time this video goes up, I will be packing the truck so that we can move back to New York. Yeah, so see you in New York.